Let's make red sauce pasta at home.
Well, to make the red sauce pasta, firstly we need to make our red sauce. For that, we will take 4 tomatoes and slit the tomatoes into 4 equal parts, and then into boiling hot water, we need to add these tomatoes and also half an onion. Now as you can see, the tomatoes have left the skin, and now it's time to simply strain these tomatoes and onion and let it cool down. Now the tomatoes and the onions have cooled down properly as we've given them a rest of about 10 to 15 minutes. Now simply you need to take a blender and make it into a smooth paste. And with this, our basic red sauce is ready. Now let's begin the pasta prep. So simply boil some water and do not forget to add a tablespoon of salt, because the pasta does not have any flavors, and if you boil the pasta with salt, the pasta absorbs salt and it gives a really nice taste. And now simply add the pasta into hot boiling water, which is sauteed, and then you need to just wait for about 8 to 10 minutes till your pasta is all set. Another pro tip: when your pasta is ready, you strain the pasta and then wash it with cold water. At this step, a lot of people add a lot of oil, but we try to make it a little healthier. So if you rinse the pasta with cold water, all the chip-chipapa and all of that just goes away and your pasta is separated. Also do check if your pasta is cooked or not. And now it's cooking time. So simply, we're making this a healthy vegetarian version of the red sauce. So I've taken lots of fresh vegetables, and this pasta would be really loaded with vegetables, colorful vegetables for that matter. So I've taken bell peppers, green bell peppers, carrots, broccoli. Also I've taken lots of mushrooms, beans, any vegetable that you like you can take. I've taken all my favorite vegetables which I love with this pasta. So simply chop them. Also chop a few slices of garlic, and then once the chopping is done, so take a pot, heat some olive oil, add your garlic, and so once the garlic is a tad bit red, it's time to add the red sauce that we had made. And remember to keep the flame on a low-medium heat, because once you pour the sauce, a lot of bubbles pop out. So you simply need to stir, and now we need to add all the ingredients. So now I'm adding salt, pepper, lots of pizza seasoning, and chili flakes. And if you have basil, it's a must go in this dish, because authentic red sauce pasta has lots of basil leaves. Well, I could not arrange it, so if you can arrange it, do add into it. It will obviously enhance your flavors. And then simply cook it for some time, and then whatever vegetables you've chopped, you simply add all the vegetables, give it a nice stir on low-medium heat, just cover and cook for about 5 minutes. And now that everything is ready, you can add a little bit of tomato sauce, which obviously enhances the tomatoey rich flavor. And last but not the least, it's time to add in our pasta. So I've taken fusilli. You can add spaghetti, penne, whichever shape of pasta you like, and then simply mix. If you want to add more seasoning to it, it totally depends on how much seasoning you love. You add that, and to make it a little bit cheesy, when we talk about pasta, without cheese there's no pasta. So I've added some processed cheese. You can add Parmesan or whatever cheese you like. But Parmesan and processed cheese are the two best combinations with red sauce pasta. And simply it's time to serve and enjoy.
And voila, your easiest red sauce pasta with lots of vegetables is ready. Now let's give it a taste test. Oh my god. Simply delicious.